we got this LCD writing tablet. This is for home, school and office. So let's get started opening and see what we can do with this toy. Wow. So we got the manual. It tells us all about it. It's so big, so I will get it. We got this. So this is the magnetic piece. So whenever you want to stick it like on the wall or wherever or on your fridge, you can just peel this sticker, stick it on here, and then it easily magnets to the fridge or anywhere. So this comes with a pen. It's nice and green, and I really love it because it's nice and green. So I'm gonna draw something on it with the pen. So I've got the pen now. I'm gonna draw a love heart. So now I'm gonna color it in. So this is how it's drawn. So at the back we got a lock button. So if you go on this side, see, I'm gonna press the erase button. It doesn't erase because I did the lock button. But when I do the unlock button and I press this, it easily goes away because I did the unlock button. This is good for kids. It's good for traveling. So when you travel somewhere, it's good when you travel. So I'm gonna write Vihanas Fun World on here. So let's do it. Alright, Vihanas Fun World, like, share and subscribe, and a picture of me and my brother Devin. So this is also really good for adults because they can write information, they can write memos, a shopping list, or if they're gonna go somewhere and they need it, they can write what they need and then they can do it. They can take it to the office and write something, and they can also lock it and keep it on the fridge so you don't have to waste paper. So this is good for adults and kids because they can just like draw, write, or learn, or use their creativity to draw many things. And you can learn on there like math, English, anything. So you can get this on Amazon. Thank you, NEWYES, for sending me this toy. There's a link in the description if you want to buy this. Like, share, subscribe if you like my channel. There's more toys from Amazon that I got on my channel.